Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, August 19th, 2018, and it's weigh-in day. So I'm sure you guys can tell by the look on my face that I'm not super happy about the weigh-in today. I was pretty happy yesterday when I weighed myself and I hadn't gained any weight this week because I kind of figured I might gain this week because in the past this has been my week to put on water weight, and usually I'd put on like 4 or 5 pounds. So I was really hopeful since yesterday it was still the same weight as last week that I was going to make it through the week without it happening. But let's just get to the weigh-in right now because that is not what happened. So as you can see, I weighed in today at 199.4, and the only thing I can be grateful for is that it doesn't have a 2 in front of it. Frankly, I'm not super excited about it. I'm kind of disappointed. Basically put on 3 pounds overnight, and that is a total bummer. Even though I know I'm eating more maintenance calories this last couple of weeks, I still kind of expect to lose something, and I don't know. I guess I can't expect to lose when I'm eating at maintenance level. So I guess that's just how it's going to be for a while because that is how I'm feeling on doing. So in my What to Eat Wednesdays, I'm still showing my 2 meals, but I'm also adding in, usually most days, a 3rd meal, which is pushing me over my fat and calories quite a bit. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. So yeah, I'm a little disappointed. Having a hard time being positive today, but you know what? I'm just going to keep on keeping on. I'm definitely going to stay keto. Even if I stay this weight for the rest of my entire life, I'm still in a better place than I ever was before. I'm super thrilled with how I look and how I feel, and I think that's why I've kind of slipping into being a little bit more lazy with my tracking and a little bit more lazy with doing the intermittent fasting and adding in that 3rd meal, which is generally a snack meal. Tends to be like, some cheese and a protein bar, or some nuts and a protein bar kind of thing, or a bag of pork rinds, which I know is probably not the best choice for me since I'll eat the whole bag. So I just need to rein that in a little bit, I think, but I just am not in that place right now. I'm not in that headspace. I'm kind of in a maintain headspace right now, and I don't want to disappoint you guys when I'm weighing in each week, but I just feel like for me right now, emotionally and mentally, where I'm at, I've got a lot going on, trying to get school started with my kids and running my other channel. The other channel has become a little bit more overwhelming than I expected. I'm getting a lot less sleep. And in fact, I got no sleep last night at all. I was only going to get 5 hours and 45 minutes of sleep when I laid down last night after editing my video. And my dog barked incessantly all night. So I got basically no sleep, and I feel like a zombie. And that's probably another reason why I'm having a hard time with the weigh-in. Not just for it going up, because obviously sleep can affect that, but how being kind of disappointed and feeling just kind of down, I think it's just because I'm really tired. I'm really tired today. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put off editing this video for a little while. I am going to just relax and take a nap and see if I can get myself a little bit more focused on the game plan and a little bit more focused. Tomorrow is my first day of homeschool with the kids, so I've got a lot going on with that. And I really can only deal with, the things that are the most important at the time, and right now most important at the time is getting my daughter to high school for her first time ever. She's never been in a public high school. If you've been following us on Hide and Seek, you'll see that her school shut down a couple weeks ago, and we kind of had to completely change our plans, and she's ending up going to the public high school. So I have to get her out to high school, and I haven't even bought her any school clothes because usually I don't really do that, and I'm thinking maybe I should now because she's going to high school. I don't know. So it's going to be a little bit crazy week, and I'm a little overwhelmed by the prospect. Thankfully, our other dance studio doesn't start up until the following week, so I'm kind of jumping in a little bits at a time. But starting the following week, my kids will have dance 5 days a week again, and so it's going to be a little bit tricky that way. That's just a long story short of saying I feel like a zombie, and I hope you guys can forgive me for not being super pumped and awesome and positive today. Still thrilled to be in Wonderland. It was a real big relief to not be in the 200s again. I will take it. And hopefully next week it'll go back down and life will move on and we will keep moving forward. Even if I'm moving down the scale more slowly than I have been in the past, I'm still thrilled with where I'm at, and so I'm not super worried about it. And I'm glad you guys are still willing to hang in here with me and check out my updates, even though I know that lately it's been kind of disappointing. And I hate to disappoint you guys, and really the only thing that makes me disappointed is that I'm not giving you guys that oomph of seeing that scale go down. But right now in my life, as it is, like, I'd be carbing it up right now, and I'm just thrilled that I'm not carbing it up. So be proud of me for doing it and sticking to my guns, staying keto, even if it's lazy. And I will talk to you all soon. I will see you on Tuesday for the live chat. Don't miss it, 11 a.m. Mountain Time. And we will talk to you all again soon.